Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have number 6 in our Wreath series. As you can see, I have in front of me some items from Dollar Tree. So here we go. From Dollar Tree we are going to be using this 14-inch Wreath form. We also are going to be using these men's fleece buffalo check scarves. These are out for the Christmas season, so you should be able to find them. They come in black and white and red and black. I'm going to cut the fringe off, but I'm going to cut it too high, just in case I want to use it on something else. We're going to take the wreath form and we are going to glue the scarf all the way around. I used 2 of the scarves and I actually turned it over to the back side where it's all glued, and this is actually the top. Where they meet up, all I did was tuck one inside the other and roll this one down just a little bit. And so now from Dollar Tree I picked up 2 of their wreath hangers, and we are just going to remove them from their paper. I'm going to keep these twist ties. These work really well for connecting ribbon. So we're going to take both of these and we're going to crisscross them and put them on this wreath. I'm actually going to straighten the tops out just a bit by bending them to make them look more like skis. They're thin skis, but skis nonetheless. And I'm going to tuck the bottoms underneath the wreath form. I want them to kind of cross in the middle and not be too wide apart. So about right there. I'm going to glue one to the other. I'm going to let that dry. And then from Dollar Tree, I have this really nice flocked pick. This pick is actually from last year, but they do have picks similar to this year. They just don't have as much snow on them. I already bent the stem up slightly and I'm going to place it here and glue it down to the middle of my faux skis. And here is my final project, and I think it turned out quite nice. It's got a warm and cozy feeling to it because of the buffalo check scarf. So to start off with, the hooks that I use to make the skis, they are a little bit heavy. So I glued them down to the scarf, but I also glued the scarf underneath to the frame. So both scarves are on there, but they are not connected to each other. So you can pull them apart and see the actual frame underneath. So in the middle between the two skis, there is an opening and you can pull that apart. And when you pull that apart, you can glue the actual scarf to the frame up there in the middle to make sure that the skis don't fall and pull down. You'll see that if you go to make this, that you need to not only glue the ski part to the scarf, but the scarf to the frame. But that's the hardest part of this whole thing. Gluing the scarves around is really easy. I showed you guys how I did that. They bunch up really nice to make a full beautiful wreath going around. You can put any ribbon you want on it. I just used the ribbon that I had. The red one came from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. However, the Merry Christmas one I already had in my stash. I think I used it 2 years ago, and it probably came from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I'm not sure which. The pick, however, did come from Dollar Tree, and it was from last year, nice and full. They do have picks like that. This year, they just don't have as much flocking on them, and I thought the white looked really good with the buffalo check. But this was simple and easy to do, like a lot of my other wreaths. And this is number 6 in our wreath series. I'm going to be putting all of these wreaths in a playlist so you guys can go through them easily on my channel. And I will let you guys know when that is done in the community tab. So that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.